Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. I hope you guys are doing well. Well, today I received my Allure box. And if you want to see what I received, please stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. I hope you guys have been having a good week or weekend whenever you're watching this. I'm a little ahead of myself here. But anyway, today I want to open my Allure box. And for those of you who do not know what Allure box is, it's a curated box by the Allure editorial people who try different products, and they curate a box for you. At one time, this used to be a $15 a month box, and it's gone up to $24. And, you know, people are really upset about that. There was a lot of people who canceled because of it. And I kept it only because I had a 1-year subscription to it, and my price didn't change. But I'll be totally honest with you guys. You know, having been receiving this box, I would not pay $24 a month for it. I just want to put this out there right away because, you know, they say that they're going to be curating things that are, you know, a little better and things like that, but I don't see it. So, yeah. Anyway, I'll let you decide that, okay? And I'll just go ahead and tell you what's in a box. But like I said, you know, for the price, it's okay, but it's not something that I want to spend my money on going forward. But as far as the products that's in here, it's been pretty good. So, yeah, let's just open it up and see what is in the box. Whoa, dangerous here. Okay, I need to focus. You know, you guys, we're in the middle of Ramadan, and you know, this is where, you know, we don't eat from sun up to sundown for many reasons. And one of the things is, you know, for our worship. And a lot of times, like when I'm at work during the day, I don't go in person right now. I'm remote, but I catch myself drifting off, and we call that Ramadan brain. And I have to really pay particular attention to what I'm doing, like cutting boxes open so I don't cut my fingers off. So anyhow, enough of that, right? Okay, anyway, a little bit of information. So it says here on the inside, from the beauty experts. That's what they are, the editors of Allure. And there is always a little booklet with some woman's picture on it. And it has information in it. What does it have in it? It has information about what's in the box usually, but let's check. That's what it is. And you get a letter from the lead editor person. And her name is Liz. Yeah, she's the deputy beauty editor. There she is. Okay. And so, yeah, let's jump right into the box here and see what we have. And it says here, there's a lot to unpack, tips from our editors to help you get the most out of the products in your beauty box. And so it's a card like this, and it has information in a back. But let's see what it says. There's like 1 through 7 directions on how to do this. And so it says here, 7 steps to bright eyes. Okay, I guess this is speaking just specific to this one product that we're going to unpack. It's kind of weird how they did that and say there's a lot to unpack, and they give you directions on one product. Okay, that's okay. That must be the feature product. Okay, first thing I see here is a Mighty Patch. I don't know what it is with the Allure and Mighty Patches, but I mean, they send these quite often, I think, and I know I have them, but I never have a need for them, and so I just throw it in my giveaways. And let me read to you what this is all about. I know it's for like when you have a blemish or a pimple, you just slap that on there, and then it's supposed to go away, I think. But let me see, since I don't use this product, I know nothing of it. So, the price is $6.99 for 12 little patches, and no matter how dedicated I am to my skincare routine, I get occasional pimples. When I feel one forming, I immediately pop on one of these hydrocolloid stickers. There are 2 types inside the box. The original, a transparent sticker that won a Beauty Best Award for overnight use, and the invisible. It lives to its name, and it can't be seen on Zoom. A lot of stickers slide off, but these don't budge. After 6 hours, I peel it off, and my skin is less inflamed. You know, I know there's other ones. There's ones that are like shaped like flowers, because I gave it to my husband one time because he got a pimple right there, and that thing didn't slide off either, and that thing stayed on all night. And so, yeah, okay. So that's good. And there's 6 of them in here, I guess. Yeah, there's 6 original and 6 invisible. And so, yep, here it is. Okay, and then the next thing here is Chala. And it says La Vie Neutral. It looks like some kind of a palette here. Let's see. And this, okay, and here it is. And this looks like a sample from the picture. Looks like really big. You know, I don't... Look at that. The full size is a $45 palette, but they threw in this little plastic thing. I mean, okay. So, yeah. let me not harp on that or dwell on it. But it says La Chala La Vie eyeshadow palette. I like dusting this warm quads light brown over my lids. It's perfect base color for my olive complexion and makes veins on my eye... What? Oh, masks veins on my lids like a charm. It's so pretty on its own for soft, neutral look when I'm in a hurry. I've tried a few different quick combos, but my favorite has got to be tapping the deep brown into my crease. It goes on without splotches. Okay. Yeah, so, well, I don't know what the this price is, but the actual retail price for the full size is $45. And so... That's that. And they don't give you what the price of sample sizes are. And so far, we got 2 sample sizes. And the third thing here is Cargo. This is another company that they put in a box frequently. And I have tons of Cargo pencils that's in my giveaway. I need to start giving them away. So anyway, yeah. And this here, let's read about the Cargo pencil. And it says here, as a longtime cat eye wearer, I reserve a special place in my heart for eyeliner. These creamy Cargo pencils are waterproof and stay put. But if you work fast, you can blend them out. I like prepping my lids with concealer in a shade lighter than my complexion and setting powder before drawing a rough cat eye on top. And the price of this is $18. And not sure, I think this got to be, yeah, this has got to be full size, right? So it's $18, okay? Okay, that's that. And then the next thing here, I think this is their feature item, which is a Car Skin Restore Eye Serum. Here it is, and let's see what this looks like. And there we go. It's a small serum. It's got a little like a pump here that you've with the eyedropper on the inside. Is this glass or plastic? It's heavy, whatever it is. And let's see. And this has a lot of flower extract. So if you're sensitive to like floral extracts, you'll have to be careful. Please read the ingredients on it. It's very heavy on floral extracts. So it says, I have oily eyelids, a recipe for makeup smudges. So I normally use eye cream only at night, but I find that this formula is light enough to use during the day, even though it's an oil made with hydrating argan and jojoba. There's nothing greasy about it. I warmed one dropful enough for what? I warmed one dropful enough for both eyes between my fingers so I could apply a thin layer and gently press it below my eyes and along my brow lines. I was left with soft, moisturized skin. And so this is, not sure if this is full price, but $85 is the full price. And $85 is the full size. And this is it? Yeah, maybe it is. It says 10 milliliters. So yeah, maybe this is full size. So this retails for $85. And okay, the next thing here is face moisturizer. And here it is. And what kind of moisturizer are you? It says it's by Nordu. And instructions after using cleanser, spread over small amount of the moisturizer all over the face. Okay, so it's just a straight up moisturizer. So, okay, let's see what it says about it. It is a sample size, of course. It's by Skin. I usually test new skincare on just half my face so I can see it's actually doing anything, but this lotion feels so soothing on my dry skin that I couldn't resist using it all over. Okay, so it retails for the full size $49. And so, yeah. Okay. Alrighty, and then the last thing in my box is a Botanical Repair by Aveda. This is a brand I do know. Finally, a brand I know. Okay, so Aveda. And what are you? Intensive Strengthening Mask. Okay. Are you a clay mask? It says Light. Botanical Repair Intensive Mask. Okay, hold on one second. Okay, let's read about it. Okay, Aveda Botanical Repair Mask. Month of indoor heat took my 3Cs and 4A coils to another level of dry, heavy, deep conditioning masks weighing down my curl pattern. Oh, this is a hair mask. I'm glad I read it. I put that on my face. But I read everything though, but that's funny. Okay, but even with serious moisturizing ingredients like avocado oil and squalene, this Aveda mask is light. After shampooing, I let it sit in my hair for a few minutes, then detangled. My hair is softer and it's not a struggle to get my comb through. After thoroughly rinsing, my curls are hydrated but not greasy. There's even room for me to use additional products. And so, okay, and then the retail on this is $44, but this, of course, is not full size. So, yeah. Okay, very interesting. I think that's it in my box. So, what did I receive? I received a hair mask, a moisturizer for dry skin, a eye oil, a eye pencil by Cargo, okay, and a Mighty Patch, box of Mighty Patch, and a eyeshadow quad. So yeah, overall, I don't like it. That's all I have to say. And I will let you guys know, I'm being honest, guys. It's just like, you know, the positive side is that it's probably worth more than what I paid for the box. Especially since I only pay $15 per box, but it's not, to me, I mean, think about it, $1 more, $25, and look what you get for IPSY base box, and for, you know, premium IPSY. That's the same price you guys are paying for what you just saw. So you make the determination. Is it worth it? For me personally, it's not. And once I do my subscription lapses, I will not be renewing with Allure because they have said that they're going to be putting in better quality products. I don't see it, guys. I don't. And, you know, and then they put in eyeshadow and it's a sample and it's not even made in America. I mean, yeah, or somewhere outside of China. So, yeah, I'm quite disappointed with the box. Yeah, the good thing, like I said, is that I only paid, you know, I think $15 a box for, you know, whatever the subscription comes out to. But, yep, and I do see one thing that I could actually use, though, because it did say it's waterproof, is this eyeliner. But let's see. Let's see what happens. And, yeah, my beautiful wildflowers, I hope I added value. And if you get this box, tell me what you think. Because, you know, just because I don't like it doesn't mean you don't like it, right? And so if you like it, tell me what you like about it. And, you know, let me know and put it below. So, okay. So, my beautiful wildflowers, if I added any value, please hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do consider subscribing and hit that bell button and select all. So that way you know every time I upload a new video. Okay, so I want you guys to have a good day, a good night, a good week, or maybe a weekend, whenever you're watching this. But just remember, never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.